Fernando Alonso on Red Bull's list as Spaniard discusses replacing Max Verstappen. Fernando Alonso has revealed that he is on the list of potential Max Verstappen replacements should the three-time world champion opt to leave Red Bull at the end of the 2024 campaign. Just a few months ago, the prospect of Verstappen leaving Red Bull in the near future seemed unthinkable. The Dutchman is contracted until the end of the 2028 season and holds deeply rooted relationships within the team. However, the ongoing distraction of Christian Horner's situation has created a sizable rift between the team principal and his father, Jos Verstappen, who revealed to the Daily Mail on Sunday that the pair had experienced a blazing row in the Bahrain Grand Prix paddock. Should Horner continue to hang on to power, the likes of Adrian Newey and Helmut Marko could both depart the team, and this would open up the possibility of Verstappen following them out of the door. Quizzed about potential replacements for Verstappen, Alonso told Marca, "I do believe him on the list because I have no contract at the moment. It's better to be on that list than on others." Alonso had previously been touted as a potential option for Mercedes following news of Lewis Hamilton's departure, and speculation was fueled when his manager, Flavio Briatore, was pictured at a meal with Toto Wolff. However, if Alonso is going to join either Mercedes or Red Bull at the end of the 2024 season, he must first overcome the obstacle of deciding his stance on long-term commitments to F1. At 42 years of age, Alonso is already well into the twilight years of his career, and the Spaniard was clear at the season opener in Bahrain that his current deal with Aston Martin could be his last in F1. "First of all, I need to decide if I want to keep racing. I will need to decide that in a few races," he explained. "I feel great now, but it's a demanding calendar. In 2026, there are different regulations that are maybe tempting or not. I will wait a few races to decide."